Schools in Oregon have been shut down for months due to COVID-19, and today the Oregon Department of Education looking to the fall and released guidance for the upcoming school year. Our Jacqueline Abad spoke with the governor late this afternoon and shows us what this means for students and parents. Jacqueline?
Jeff, well, Governor Brown tells me that she's pleased with the Department of Education's plan to allow different communities to develop their own plans to protect students and staff. Now, just to be clear, not all schools will be able to provide on-site learning, but for those that can, things will look different. Now, staff that will be within 6 feet of students are required to wear masks, but for students, those masks are not required.
So look up at the screen.
The guidance is called Ready School, Safe Learners. It provides concrete requirements and recommendations so schools can determine what's best for their students. The Oregon Department of Education came out with these guidelines. Now, schools across the state have to come up with a blueprint for reentry.
Our message to parents and families is that we see them as essential partners in this work. We need to together develop a clear understanding of how to keep our students and communities safe. As we think about reopening our schools. We also need to know them that this guidance describes what we know today.
Depending if schools can meet certain requirements, will determine if students can be taught through 3 different ways. That's on site, through comprehensive distance learning, or a hybrid of both.
3, 2, 1.
As part of the guidance for schools that are able to provide on-site learning, staff within 6 feet of students are required to wear masks, but students are not.
Face coverings are an important part of infection prevention, but we think that they're not as important as the physical distancing, the hand hygiene, and some of those environmental measures. So they're certainly important, but with some age groups, there are concerns about whether it's really going to make decrease their risk enough or pose problems for certain students.
Governor Kate Brown announced today she's bringing together a council made up of school employees and representatives from communities of color to advise her and the Department of Education as they move forward.
We want to make sure that our students, all of our students, regardless of where they live in the state, have the opportunity to achieve their full potential and that they have access to a quality education.
Schools must complete their blueprint by August 15th. From there, it will be reviewed by the school board. Then it will go to their local health authority, and then to the Oregon Department of Education. To see the full guidance, we have a link to that on our website, KOIN.com. Reporting live, Jacqueline Abad, KOIN 6 News.
Thanks, Jacqueline.